Make a great choice today with the 2020 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.